In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tickets on Ticketek. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. Sharing your tickets is a convenient way to ensure that friends or family can attend an event if something comes up, or if you're just planning a group outing. First, you'll want to open your Ticketek app or go to the Ticketek website. If you haven't yet logged in, make sure to do so using your account details. This ensures you have access to your purchased tickets. Once logged in, navigate to the My Tickets section. This area is typically easy to find, usually located in the main menu or dashboard. It contains all the tickets you have bought and organizes them by upcoming event date, making it simple to find the ones you're looking to share. Next, locate the specific event for which you want to share tickets. Click on the event, and it should open up a more detailed view of all the ticket information. On this page, you'll see an option to manage your tickets. Click on it to proceed. In the Manage section, there should be an option labeled Share Tickets or something similar. Selecting this will bring up a new menu that allows you to choose which tickets you wish to share. If it's a group event and you need to share more than one ticket, you can often select multiple tickets at this stage by checking the appropriate boxes. Now, it's time to choose the delivery method. Most platforms will allow you to send the tickets via email directly to the recipient. Enter the email address of the person you wish to share the tickets with, and double-check that it's correct. Once you've confirmed everything is accurate, you can proceed by clicking Send or Share. This will initiate the ticket transfer process. If you're using the app, there might even be an option to share through a direct link or QR code, which can be a handy alternative if your recipient prefers it. Be sure to communicate with the person you're sending the tickets to confirm that they've received them. It's a good practice to follow up with a quick phone call or message just to ensure everything went smoothly and they're set for the event. Finally, remember that sharing tickets is subject to the event's specific terms and conditions, so always double-check any restrictions that could be in place. Whether it's limits on the number of transfers allowed or deadlines by which it must be done, ensuring you're compliant will help avoid any last-minute surprises or hiccups. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Have a great time at your event, and happy sharing!